Hello children, this is 5th standard Maths chapter name Decimals and their applications. So now decimals. Decimals means in algebra a decimal number can be defined as a number whose whole number part and the fraction part is separated by a decimal point. The dot in a decimal number is called the decimal point. So here 0.2. 0.2. This is a decimal point. The dot in a decimal number is called a decimal point. The digit following decimal point shows a value smaller than 1. So here this is smaller than 1. After decimal point means a value before decimal point is greater than this is smaller. After decimal point is smaller. So decimal means a whole number part, this is a whole number, and the fraction part. Okay, 6 is a whole number, 9 by 100 is a fraction. So whole number part and a fraction part is separated by decimal point. So what is the meaning by decimal? Whole number part and fraction part is separated by that decimal point. Is a decimal. So here in this lesson, we are going to study about the conversion of fraction into tens and hundred thousands as denominator and decimal numbers and expanded form of decimals and comparison decimal between greater and smaller numbers, decimal number, and addition and subtraction of like decimals, and multiplication, division of decimals, and round off of decimal to the nearest tens and hundred places. Now here simplify 3 by 100 is given. So here fraction part. So here whole number part is not there. So here when tens and hundred form is given, when the denominator are 10, 100. So above the line is numerator, below the line is denominator. Given, then easy for calculation. 3 by 100 means, so here we have to write first 3 and 2 zeros are there, so it means after 2 number decimal point, and after decimal point there should be 2 number. So here 100, first we have to write 4, then for 2 zeros, 20 means after decimal point there should be 2 numbers, so already 4 is there, we have to put 1. Now here we have to fraction means divide this number, you get same answer after division. This will become the quotient. So without doing division, when the tens and hundred form, denominator and tens and hundred form, we can try directly. So here write 5. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So one zero is required to become 2 digit. Then decimal point. So it means 2 zeros means there should be 2 number after decimal point. So 6 means first write numerator 6 and how many zeros in denominator? 2 zeros. There should be 2 number after decimal point. So you 1, 2. Then we can put here 0 in front. No number. See here 8. Write 8 first numerator. Then here 2 numbers means there should be 2 numbers. So you can write 0 and decimal point means after decimal point there should be 2 number. Okay, here 10. So 2 zeros. So first try the numerator, then check 2 numbers are there. So it is also written 11 written 2 numbers. So decimal point, after decimal point there should be 2 number. 15, write on 15. 2 zeros mean there should be 2 number. Already 2 numbers are there. No need to add extra zeros. 26 and 2 zeros. Write 26 and check 2 number. So after decimal point there should be 2 number because 2 zeros. No need to add extra zeros. Write 99. 2 zeros. So after decimal point there should be 2 number. It's there already. No need to add extra zeros. Now fill in the blanks is given here. So here also fill in the blanks is given. Fill in the blanks 3. So write 3. So 3 zeros mean there should be 3 number. So one is already written. So write 2 more zeros and decimal point 3. So here write 5. So here 3 zeros. The 3 0 means there should be 3 number after decimal point. Put decimal point means and equalize into 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3 numbers over 0. So here 3 zeros denominator. Write 7 first and equalize 3 digit. Make into 3 digit means 3 number. There should be 3 number after decimal points. Put decimal points 1, 2, 3 is over. Then in front 0. 8 Write 8. 3 zeros, denominator are 3 zeros. So there should be 3 zeros after decimal point. Okay. Already written this. Is also given 38. 3 zeros mean there should be 3 number after decimal point. Point and 0. So 1, 2, 3 numbers over. 3 digit. 89 write on the numerator first. And 30 there should be 3 number after decimal point. 3 numbers. 3 digit number. There should be 3 digit number. So here 545. 3 zeros in denominator. After decimal point there should be 3 number. It is already 3 number. No need to add any extra zeros here. And this place 998. So 3 zeros after decimal point there should be 3 number. Already 3 numbers are there. No need to add any extra zeros. So we can write 0.998. Now 9 by 10. So here whole number is always before decimal point. Okay, whole number before a decimal point 5 point, and after decimal point 10 means there should be one number, so that is numerator 9. So 10 5 by 10, first write the 10, the whole number, this number will become the whole number part and fraction part. Before decimal point is whole number. Okay, before decimal point is whole number, and write 5. So of only 10, it means after decimal point only one number, that is the numerator 5. So write the 7 whole number, 7 by 10. So after only 10 means after decimal point there should be one number. Write this numerator directly, no need to add extra zeros here. 296, write numerator 296, no whole number. So here, okay, 296 by 10. So here only 10 means after decimal point there should be one number. So we can put 29.6. Answer is 29.6. After decimal point there should be one number. So here 6 9 by 100. Though already 6 is outside before decimal point. 9 we have to write. After 20 means after decimal point there should be 2 number. So 8 is a whole number. Write before decimal point and put decimal point. And write the numerator 19. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So it means after decimal point 2 number. Write the numerator 2105. Then how many zeros down? 2 zeros. So means after, from right side after 2 number we have to put point. So it means 21.05. 21.05. Now write this whole number 36 and decimal point 89. Write down here 89. And check only 20 means after decimal point 2 number. So already 2 number, no need to add any extra zeros. Then here 15 is before decimal point. Write down the 15 and write 19 here. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So after decimal point there should be 3 number. 2 number already we written, that is numerator. So we can add one more 0 because that 0 has no value. So one more 0, then it become after decimal point 3 numbers. Now no whole number. Write the numerator 26215. 26215 and check how many zeros. 1 2 3 0. From right side count 1 2 3. Everything is always right side. Okay, answer is 26.215. Now 88 is before decimal point and write the numerator 999 and check how many zeros. 3 zeros. So after decimal point there is 3 number, no need to add any extra zeros. Answer is 89.999. So how to read the decimal number? Before decimal point we can read the whole number together, but after decimal point we have to read each, we have to spell each numbers. So 5.9, 10.5, 7.7, 29.6, 6.09, 8.19 is wrong, 8.19, 21.05, 21.05 is wrong. We have to read before decimal point the whole number totally 21 and 0.05, 36.89, 7.008, 15.019, 26.215, 88.999. Next is place value chart. So before decimal point, this is the actual decimal place value number, ones, tens, 100. So this is ones. This is ones, tens. So 6 is not ones place, 2 is not ones place. This is fraction part. After decimal point, the numbers are fraction part. So we have to read as a fraction part. And this is ones. Ones, tens, 100. So 5 is ones place. Here 5 is here, decimal point will come here. 5 is ones place. 2 is tens place. 4 is 100 place. Okay. Then decimal point, here it comes the fraction form. Means tenth, hundredth, thousands. Tenth means it is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, 1 by 10,000 like that. Okay. Before decimal point, ones, tens, hundred. So ones is only one time. And then after decimal point, we have to read tenths, hundredths, thousands. Means 1 by 10. It is a fraction part. Decimal is a whole number part and the fraction part is divided with the decimal point. So what is mean by decimal? Whole number part and the fraction part are divided with the decimal point. So this is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. After decimal point number, 1 will come in 1 by 10's place and 2 will come in 1 by 100 place or hundreds, and 6 will come in 1 by thousands place. Now 4.321, where we have to write 4. 4 is 1, this 1 is ones place, 2 is tens, 100, no, wrong. Before decimal point number is a whole number. So then after decimal point is a fraction part. So here 4 is ones place and decimal point 3 in tens place, 2 in hundreds, 1 in thousands. 32, so 2 in ones place, 3 in tens, decimal point, and 0 in tens, 1 by 10, and the next 0 in 1 by 100, that is hundreds, and 1 in thousands. Thousands means 1 by thousands. How to read? Remember that 425.126 is read as 425.126. Decimal have two parts, a whole number part and a decimal part. These are separated by a point. The decimal part is a fraction part. Now exercise 5.1. Read and write the number name. The first one has been done for you. 12.03. So 12.03. So here one is how to read the decimal number. Before decimal point we have to read together, and after decimal point we have to read each number value. So 12.12, 1, 2 is wrong, 12 together we have to read 0.03. Then next is next is 16.08. Then this is 17.005. And last one, the fourth one is 6.889. Okay. So here next is 3.531. So 3.531. 28.317. So 28.317. So 28.317. After decimal point we have to read each number value. Then seventh one 10.07. So 10.07. Eighth one 6.91. So 6.91. And ninth one 7.56. So 7.56 we have to read it. Now B main, write as fraction or mixed number. So here 1.112 is given, 2 is given. Now we have to write this as first one is given. Before this is whole number, and 12 after decimal point 1 2 will become numerator. So 2 numbers, no, so 2 zeros. 2 after 2 number there should be 2 zeros. After 1 we have to put, and 2 numbers means 2 zeros. Then 3.3. So it means first write the whole number 3, and after the decimal point become the fraction 3 by this. After this 3 we have to write up numerator. One number after decimal point, one number means 10. After decimal point, two numbers means 100, means 2 zeros. After decimal point, 3 numbers means thousands. Okay, 15 is a whole number, and write 9 numerator has numerator. After decimal point, one number means denominator is 10. 0 means no whole number. So here 0.15 we have to write as a numerator. After decimal point, 2 number means 100. Denominator is 100. No whole number. So 0 means no whole number. Directly fraction we have to write. 0088 become the numerator. And after decimal point, 3 numbers means thousands. 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. Okay. 4 is a whole number, so without fraction, then this become the fraction part. So 09 means 9 is a numerator. After decimal point, 2 numbers means 100. And here no whole number, so we can have to write the fraction directly. 885 become the numerator by, so here after decimal point, 3 numbers means 1000. Now next 8th one is 15.36. 15 is a whole number, that mixed fraction form, and after decimal 36 that become the numerator 36, and after decimal point, 2 numbers means 100. Denominator is 100, means 2 zeros. So here answer is 3 by 10, 15 9 by 10, 15 by 100, and 8 by 1000, 4 9 by 100, then 885 by 1000, 1536 by 100 is the answer. Now next is write as decimals. Write as decimals. So here fraction is given, we have to write as decimal. Decimals means after dividing this number, the quotient. Okay, quotient. So here when the denominator are at 100, tens, thousands form, we can directly write the quotient. Okay, we can directly divide the answer. So here write the numerator 229, then check how many zeros are there. So here 2 zeros underline, here 1 0, here 1 0, 1 0, 100, 3 zeros, 1000, 1000. Okay, underline the zeros. So here 2 zeros means from decimal, after decimal point there should be 2 number, means from right side after 2 number decimal point. Here 13 by 100, write the numerator 13. Only 1 0 means after decimal point there should be 1 number. From right side after 1 number decimal point. Okay, that is answer. Now write 74 directly. Only 1 0, so in middle we have to put in middle. So after decimal point there should be 1 number, or from right side after 1 number decimal point. Write the numerator, because tens and 100 form. Only when the numbers are in tens, 100, 1000 denominators, tens, 100, 1000, we can write the fraction form, means the division directly. Otherwise we have to divide the number and write the answer. So here when the numbers are in denominator and tens, 100, 1000, 0 form, we can write the answer directly, divide the answer directly. Now write 101, and here 10 means from right side after 1 number decimal point. It means after decimal point there should be 1 number. Okay. Then 5th question, 545 by 100. Write the numerator 545, and how many zeros? 2 zeros. Denominator from right side after 2 number, 1 2, from right side after 2 number decimal point, or after decimal point there should be 2 number. Like that we have to put the decimal point, because the denominator are tens and 100 form. Now here write the numerator 5889 and check how many zeros. 1 2 3 0. So it means from right side after 3 number decimal point. 1 2 3, after 3 number decimal point. It means after decimal point there should be 3 numbers or 3 digit. 3 numbers means 3 digit. Now write numerator 1009, 3 zeros denominator. It means from right side 1, 2, 3 number we have to put decimal point 1, 2, 3 and means 1.009. Here write the number 5042, only 3 zeros from right side 1, 2, 3 number decimal point 5.042. Now exercise 5.2, aim in write in the expanded form. So 76.32. Before writing expanded form, first we have to know the place value of the number. If place value of the number is written, then it becomes the easy. So this 6 is in ones place, 7 in tens, ones tens, and 3 in 1 by 10 place, 2 in 1 by 100 place. Place value of the name, 2 in ones place, 8 in tens place, 1 in 100 place, and decimal point, and 7 in 1 by tens place. So here ones tens, 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. And here also write the place value of the number ones tens, and this become 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1007. Okay, so this is ones tens 100, and this is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, and this is ones tens, this is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by thousands. Okay, now write the value. Now we can expand. First try the place value, then it become the easy, children. The decimal number, no? Now it means 7 into tens, 7 in tens place, plus 6 into ones means 1, plus 3 in 1 by 10 place, plus 2 in 1 by 100 place. 7 into 10 is 70, plus 6 into 1 is 6, plus 3 into 1 by it means 3 ones are 3 by 10, plus 2 into 1 by 100 means 2 by 100. This is the answer. And here second one, 1 in 100 place, so 1 into 100, plus 8 in tens place, so 8 in 10, plus 2 in ones place, 2 into 1, plus 7 in 1 by tens place. Okay, now 1 into 100 is 100, 8 into 10 is 80, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 7 into 1 by 10 is 7 ones are 7 by 10. This is the answer. Now third question, 4 in tens place, 4 into 10, plus 8 in ones place, 8 into 1, plus 3 in 1 by 10 place, 1 by 10, plus 7 in 1 by 100 place, 1 by 100, 2 in 1 by thousands place. 4 into 10 is 40, plus 8 into 1 is 8, 3 into 1 by 10 means 3 by 10. 3 numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 3 is numerator, so 3 into 1, 3 by 10. 7 into 1, 7 by 100. 2 into 1 by 1000 is 2 by 1000 is the answer. Now here 9 in tens place, plus 2 in ones place, plus 0 in 1 by 10 place, plus this 0 in 1 by 100 place, plus 7 in 1 by thousands place. Okay. Now 9 into 10 is 90, plus 2 into 1 is 2, plus 0 into 1 by 10 is 0 only, or 0 by 10. 0 into 1 by 100 is 0 only, plus 7 into this means 7 by 1000. Or we can write 0 by 10, 0 by 100. Now here fifth question, 5 in 100 place, plus 2 in tens place, plus 6 in ones place. The place value we written that in pencil, no? Plus 9 in 1 by 10 place, 0 in 1 by 100 place, 6 in 1 by thousands place. Now 5 into 100 is 500 plus 2 into 10 is 20. 6 into 1 is 6. 9 means 9 by 10 plus 0 into 1 by 100 is 0 plus 6 into is 6 by 1000. Now sixth question. 1 in tens place, 0 in ones place, 0 in 1 by tens place, this 0 in 1 by 100 place, 1 in thousands place, 1 by thousands place. 1 into 10 is 10 plus 0 into 1 is 0 plus 0 into 1 by 10 is 0 plus 0 into 1 by 100 is 0 plus 1 by 1000 into is 1 by 1000. Or we can write 0 1 by 10, 0 1 by 100. Now write the decimal number for the following. So 4 plus 6, 10. 4 is a whole number. So whole number come before decimal point. Write the decimal number for the following. 6 by 10 means 6. Means 10 no. So here tens place. 1 by tens place. So the answer is 4 by 6. And here next number 7. 7 is a whole number because without any fraction form. So this is a whole number. 5 by 10 means 5 in tens place, 100 place. So place value in properly written, no missing numbers. So tens, 100. So 57.56 is the answer. Now next 16 is a whole number, means before decimal point, whole number, and place value tens is here, 100 is missing. So in the place of 100 we have to write missing number 2. So here 2 missing number 0. So 2 in tens place, 1 by 100 place is missing. So we have to write 0. Okay, 0, and 5 in tens place is here 2, and 1 by 100 place is missing. So we have to put 0, and thousands place is there 5. So here 1000 means last digit, 0 means after decimal point there should be 3 number. So 16.205 is the answer. Now here 25 become the whole number, means before decimal point, and here tens place is missing, 1 by 10th, 100th is there, thousands here. 1 by 10th number is missing, so missing means 0 into 1 by 10 become the 0. So 0 we have to write, and 100th value is given and thousands is given. So 3 zeros means after decimal point 3 number. 25.036. Then here 5 is a whole number, so it will come before decimal point. Then 0.3 after decimal point 1 digit, 2 digit, totally 2 digit. So 3 and 5. 5.35. 1 digit, 2 digit. 1 by 10th, 1 by 100, 5. 10 is whole number. Okay, 6 also whole number. And this is the decimal point, 106. Okay, 10 is whole number, 6 is whole number, decimal point, 1 digit, 2 digit. So place value is arranged properly. Okay, place value is here 1 after decimal point 1 number, here 2 number. So we can write 1 and 2 directly. 106.12. Now next. So here 90 whole number, 90 and 9. So 99. 10 plus 6 is 60 is become 16, not 106. Okay, here it become 10 plus 6 become 16.1261, not 106 children. Now here 90 plus 9 whole number, 90 plus 9 is 99. Then this is the decimal point, means decimal number. And check whether the arrangement numbers. Check here 99 points. So here check the place value after decimal point 1 number, then here 2 number, 3 number. So together is given. So 999 we can write 999 last digits 999 we can write. So 90 plus 9 whole number 99.999 is the answer. Then you add it, if you find the total, you get the same answer. 80 means 80, no number to add. So 80 is 80 only point. So here place value once, one digit, after decimal point 1 digit, here after decimal point 3 digit, 1 2, second digit is missing, so 506. 80.506. Then here all are decimal numbers. After decimal point 1 number is there 5, and 2 number after decimal point 2 number means 1 by 100th is missing, 1 by 10, 1 by 100 is missing. So in 100 place we have to refill with 0, and 1000, 1 by 1000, this is 1 by thousands place 3, 0.503. Or to find the total, right, and find the total, you get the number. Okay, 0.5 and 0.003. Find the total. This is the alternate method. 305.0 is the answer. We can verify. Okay. Now next, exercise 5.3. Convert the following decimal into fractions. So a fraction we can convert. There is 3 methods are there. Without decimal, first we have to ignore the decimal point and make it 32 divided by after decimal point 1 number and 10. Or one more method, mixed fraction way we can write. So we are trying here mixed fraction way. See, 3 is here whole number, mixed fraction. Okay, 2 is numerator. After decimal point 2 is numerator. So after decimal point 1 number means tens. Denominator is 10 form. Then we can cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So answer is 3 1 by 5. Okay, before decimal point will come the whole number, and fraction part after decimal point is a fraction part. So write the after decimal point fraction part, and if we can cancel or reduce with the common tables and reduce it. Here 1 will become the whole number and 90 become the 90 has a numerator. This become the after decimal point become the numerator, and after decimal point how many numbers? 2 numbers, so 100. After decimal point 3 numbers means 1000. After decimal point 1 number means 10. Okay, any way we can reduce the value? 0 0 cancel, so we can simplify into 1 9 by 10. Next is 2.2 is a whole number, outsider, get out. 2 is a whole number. 0 4 become the numerator 4. Instead of writing 0 4 we can write 4, and after decimal point 2 number means we have to write here 100. Means 2 zeros. 2 numbers means 2 0. 1 number means 1 0. 2 number means 2 zeros. 2 0 means 100 form. And we can reduce, don't cancel this whole number. Okay, don't touch that person. Okay, don't cancel that. Now this one we can reduce it. 4 ones are 4, 4 25 is a 100. 25 4s are 100. So answer is 2 1 by 25. 2 4 by 100 or 2 1 by 25. Now 6 will become outsider, that is a whole number. 2 5 become 25 has a numerator. Now after decimal point 2 number means 100, means 2 zeros. And here also 25 ones are 25, 25 4s are 100. So 6 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction form. Okay. Now next 0 2 3 0 point. So here whole number is not there. Outsider is 0. Now we have to write the fraction part. So 2 3 will become 23. After decimal point 2 number means that is 100. 23 by 100. No common factor to reduce. Answer is 23 by 100 itself. Here no outsider because 0 0 means no outside number, mixed fraction. So after decimal point number is a fraction part, that 35 3 5 will become 35. So after decimal point 2 number, so 100 means 2 zeros. 35 by 100, here we can reduce the value, or 35 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10, or 7 by 20. 35 by 100 or 7 by 20. Now 9 is outsider whole number and 005, so 5 become the numerator, no value for this. And how many after decimal point, how many digit are there? 1 2 3, 3 digit mean here denominator become 1000. Okay, very easy. This before decimal point outsider and numerator is this after decimal fraction point. 3 numbers means 1000, denominator become 1000 means 30 we have to write. We can 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 0 0. So answer is 9 1 by 200. 9 1 by 200. Here no outsider 0, so only fraction part is there, whole number is not there. So fraction part 125, same. Okay, then after decimal point 1 2 3 numbers, so 3 zeros. 1 2 3 0 means thousands. Here also we can reduce it. 125 ones are 125, 125 eights are 1000. So answer is 1 by 8. Now 84 is a whole number, outsider 84, and 92 will become the fraction, so 92, and after decimal point 2 numbers means 100, means 2 zeros. Here we can cancel it. 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 3s are 12, 2 5s are 10. So answer is 84, 43 by 2. Oh, yes, 4 2s are 8, 43. 43 by 50, no? 4 2s are 8, 1 carry, 4 6 are 12, 46. Then again 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 25. So answer is 23 by 50. Or directly we can cancel with 8. Reducing value. 11 is a whole number, outsider, get out. Then this become the numerator 1 1 1. Okay, and after decimal point 3 numbers, so it means 3 zeros. Okay, now we can't numerator, denominator we have to cancel with the common numbers, common tables. So answer is 1101 divided by 1000 only.